Hi there, this is Dr. Karishma Ahuja, and this video is for all the law of attraction lovers. Firstly, here's hoping that you're doing great with your law of attraction practice. And one of the first things that I personally always recommend if you want to start with your law of attraction journey or even further deepen your practice is to constantly visit and revisit your goals. So I really hope that those of us who would like to use this law and apply it in our lives for better results, we have our goals written down on paper. This is extremely important. You need to first of all identify what is it that is going to improve or better your life. What is the goal that you would like to achieve, which is really going to change your life forever? You should be having such a goal. Now, if you have done that already, then here is a little powerful tip for you. Focus on your goal, on something that you have just written on paper, something that you would like to materialize and manifest, by asking yourself this question: wouldn't it be fun to own this? Wouldn't it be a lot of fun to have this come into my life? Now, as you are asking yourself this question when you're thinking about your goal and doing it several times a day, you will notice and realize that there is a beautiful, playful energy within you that is coming up. This is what we are talking about: beautiful, creative, longing, and passion for your goal is what the law of attraction really looks for. So, creating that lightheartedness, that playful energy, thinking always about how beautifully life is going to change when this goal comes into your life.